Hello guys, this is Lilian. I just want to say something to my idols, One Direction, Harry, Liam, Zayn, Niall, and Louis. Well, I'm a Filipino directioner. I'm from the Philippines. I hope you come here to the Philippines. I really dying wanted to meet you guys. I'm really dying to meet you guys. So please, can you please go here to the Philippines? And I really dying want to meet you guys. If I can't meet you or I can call you in the concert, it's okay with me, but I really dying to see you. Please follow me on Twitter. I keep tweeting and I will share this is us video. So here this send special message for special message only for one day. So that's it. So hope you like it and I hope you watch all my videos and that's all. Bye. Keep smiling.